What's up guys, Super Dojo here. I just got to Walmart to pick up my new battery, and as I shut my car off, literally nothing now. The light's dimmed, completely dead. Oh well, good thing I bought a new battery. I bought a new battery for 50 bucks. What a steal. So there's the new battery. Time to put it in my car. Hood's open now. All right, now time to put a battery in there. Whoa, battery's in. Time to put the terminal on and the alarm is gonna go off, so I'm gonna put you guys down for a second. Okay, time to touch the negative. This is what happens when you put it on. Oh wow, that sounds a lot better. All right, now to see if this thing starts good. Here we go. Beautiful. Perfect. Well, that's gonna be all for now, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this little mini series. I had fun putting this together. I did not have fun being without my car for over a week, but $50 for a new battery, I think it was a really good deal. So yeah, shout out to Walmart for giving me a good deal on a battery. Peace out, y'all.